a Band 7 and 8 and 9 exam prompt to be able to get the band score you've been dreaming of, how to use AI to help you train and prepare to get the best band score possible. I have been teaching hundreds of students and going through all of the most incredible AI training for my own ChatGPT prompt that allows me to be able to use ChatGPT and AI to my advantage. You're going to learn in this lesson exactly how to use a mega prompt that will help you be able to get as much information correctly and according to the IELTS marking scheme that will help you train effectively to pass your IELTS exam. You're going to know what you need to get to be in band score 7 or higher zone. You're going to know if you're actually performing at that level by using AI to detect your speech patterns, give you feedback and advice on how to grow, and be your own IELTS coach, helping you improve. So if this sounds interesting to you, then you're going to check out the document below where there's a mega prompt that you're going to put into your ChatGPT or your DeepSeek AI, and it's going to help you to understand how I think as an IELTS coach, and it's going to train you as though I am there. It's going to be super helpful for training by yourself, and you need to include training under pressure to be able to make sure this is effective. However, if you're someone who loves to study by themselves, then this AI is going to help you to train and improve and prepare as well as possible. No more guessing, no more tips and tricks that you don't understand. This is going to be able to explain and break down everything you need to be able to pass the IELTS exam. This incredible Band 7 or 8 or 9 prompt is going to be able to give you everything you need from the IELTS marking criteria, plus all of the information and learning and teaching experience that I have gained over the years with hundreds of students going through this prompt system to be able to adapt it and prepare it to be the best tool for you to practice your IELTS English speaking. And this is going to be given to you as part of this course. Yes, incredible. I know. You're going to be able to prompt your own ChatGPT that's going to be able to train you every day, 24/7, every single hour of the day. So you can practice as often as you want, getting feedback and getting advice on how to improve. Just upload this prompt into the AI of choice and ask it to give you this strict formula to be able to improve your IELTS band score. That's the English Smooth system to help you improve your IELTS speaking. And I've got actually available an IELTS speaking blueprint. So if you're interested in that, join the waiting list to be able to get access to this incredible offer. There are 12 personal story vaults. The 12-story vault is going to help you to determine your personality and your core active recall language, which is going to help you to be able to talk about yourself for hours. Make friends in the future when you go and study abroad and actually socialize in English, knowing your personality and how to explain yourself in a real life situation. On top of understanding how to use that to answer any IELTS topic. You're going to be able to get access to the 24 emotional engines. These are the most common experiences in English for human beings in their emotional experience, and you're going to learn exactly how to describe them like a native. You're going to get access to 50 IELTS topic cluster bombs that I've created just for you to be able to memorize and access the most important clusters of experience that you're going to be able to use for any of the top 50 most common IELTS topics. You're going to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 in-depth training on how to access and answer each part of the exam. You're going to get access to the Fix the Foundations grammar course, which will actually identify the intermediate grammar that's holding your score back and how you can fix it to become confident and solid in your English foundation. Part of this IELTS speaking blueprint, you're also going to get access to group classes, the fluencers. You're going to get access to a school community that's going to have a ton of IELTS learners from all over the world to meet and practice with other people, to actually have friends who are on the same journey as you, and also opportunities to access group classes for high pressure training, and also one-to-one assessments by an expert, myself. You're going to be able to get access to that as part of purchasing this IELTS speaking blueprint. So if you're interested in upgrading your package to get the most inclusive IELTS speaking course on the market, then click the link below and join the waiting list, and I'll be in touch with you very soon. So it's time to train and use the right system to access your IELTS band score. I'm super excited that all this information has been given to you and that you're now ready to start training effectively and efficiently for your IELTS band score. I'm excited to see you on exam day. Have a fantastic time. I hope all this training prepares you to be confident and smooth, and you'll be ready to get on that plane to your dream university. That's the IELTS Smooth system. See you next time.